the treasury are supposed to be audited. But if you go to the rules of conduct of business of the State Assembly, Rule 28 is very clear that a member can make a submission in his mother tongue, provided that same copy of the speech is made available to the speaker. That is as per the rule of this house. Ideally speaking though, when you communicate, I would have preferred an address in a language that I can thoroughly understand. But today, to compensate for that, what I did was read the governor's speech in English, and reading is far better because you can internalize all points of the speech better than listening to a language which I can only half understand.
Yes. What do you have to say about?
I've said whatever needs to be said. What more? Any additional
No,
point?
you should have placed the governor should have placed in the then instead of speaking in Hindi, place the speech on the floor of the house.
The speech of the governor was placed on the table, on every member's table. 1. 2. What he delivered was an abridged version of the speech. He did not cover the entire speech, which was covered by the written text. Okay? The written text had many pages. The governor spoke barely 15 minutes.
How do you see that this ordinance has stated in the House that Hindi, that center cannot impose language?
There is no question of any imposition to the extent that Hindi is considered the official. Even constitutionally, Hindi is the official language of this country. It is not the national language of this country.
This is the second time that we are getting a governor.
Yes, the second time.
The center should appoint a governor who can
Speak in English.
I can only say that when I go to Parliament.